Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your favorites on Roblox desktop. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So what we need to do first is open up a new browser and come to roblox.com, and then from here, if you're not already, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. And when you're actually on the home screen, the dashboard is actually very easy. If you scroll down the page slightly, you'll see there's a section here which says favorites, which is where all your favorite bits are. So what you can do, it's going to show a couple here, but if you want to see all of your favorites, just need to click here where it says see all next to the favorites tab. And then what that's going to do is actually load up the entire favorite section. I've only added a couple in this one. This is just an example account, but yeah, that's how you do it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.